Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp last seen not showing. There are a few reasons why you might not be able to see someone's last seen or online status. The first reason is you set your privacy settings to not share your last seen. If you don't share your last seen, then you can't see other people's last seen. So to enable your last seen, from your WhatsApp home screen, tap on this three dot and just tap on settings. And here tap on privacy and tap on last seen and online. Who can see my last seen? Select everyone. Who can see when I'm online? Here select everyone. And now on, you should be able to see your WhatsApp contacts last seen or online active status. And the second reason, you don't chatted with them before or saved them as a contact. So it might be a reason you are unable to see someone's active status or online status. And if someone blocked you on WhatsApp, then you won't be able to see the specific contact last seen or active status. And if they set their privacy settings to hide this information, then also you won't be able to see the contact last seen and online status. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.